Imagine a world where no code is safe, where the most advanced encryption we rely on today, banking, military secrets, personal data, could be cracked in seconds. A world where whoever masters this new power first holds the keys to the digital kingdom. That world isn't science fiction anymore. It's being shaped right now, in labs that you and I will never see. And at the center of this race stands one of the most powerful tech giants on Earth, Microsoft. On the surface, Microsoft's quantum program looks public and scientific: Station Q in California, a cutting-edge lab in Redmond, Washington, and a development hub in Denmark. They proudly announce breakthroughs, like their Majorana 1 quantum processor, which hit headlines in 2024. But here's the question: what if these public labs are just the tip of the iceberg? What if behind Microsoft's polished PR and flashy announcements lies something much bigger, something secret, hidden, and decades ahead of what we think we know? Today, we're diving into the claims about Microsoft's secret quantum facility. Why it matters, how it could reshape science, security, and even your daily life, and what governments might already know but aren't telling us. Every message you send, every bank transfer, every piece of classified military communication, it's all protected by digital encryption. These codes are designed to take billions of years to crack using traditional supercomputers. That's why the system works. But quantum computers? They don't play by the same rules. A powerful enough quantum system could shatter these codes in minutes. Suddenly, no secret would be safe. And here's the twist: the same machines could also create new, unbreakable encryption, locking out everyone else. So whoever gets there first doesn't just win in science. They win in global power. And that's why the CIA, the FBI, DARPA, and governments across the globe are watching Microsoft, and their rivals, closely. Microsoft's mysterious timeline. Let's talk about the strangest gap in Microsoft's story. In 2021, Microsoft publicly retracted a claim that they had discovered Majorana quasi-particles, the building blocks for their quantum dream. For years, they went quiet. No big announcements, no flashy breakthroughs. Then, out of nowhere in 2024, they revealed the Majorana 1 processor, claiming huge success. So what happened in those 3 silent years? Did Microsoft really step away from the race, or did their research simply go underground? This sudden comeback raises eyebrows. If they were working in secrecy, what else might they have developed while the world thought they were struggling? Braiding Majorana modes, a method for building ultra-stable quantum systems. Quantum teleportation channels, yes, actual teleportation of quantum information. Topological quantum error correction, technology that makes these fragile machines reliable enough to scale. Quantum networking protocols, the foundations of an unhackable internet. Quantum-enhanced neural networks, combining quantum power with AI, creating a system that could think in ways classical computers never could. Think about that. These aren't just wild ideas. These are legal documents Microsoft has locked in with the Patent Office. Footprints in the sand. Evidence of where they've been. Patents are like shadows: you may not see the full figure, but you know something is there. And the picture these shadows paint suggests that Microsoft's private progress is years ahead of what they admit publicly. Microsoft's official labs are well known. Station Q at UC Santa Barbara. Their Redmond headquarters in Washington. The development hub in Denmark. But if you dig deeper, things start to look strange. Satellite images of Redmond show windowless buildings with heavy shielding, structures that don't look like offices at all. Why build this kind of facility unless you're housing something sensitive? In Denmark, Microsoft's Lyngby site has massive rooftop cooling systems, the kind used for industrial-scale cryogenics. Remember, quantum computers need to operate at temperatures colder than outer space. These cooling systems aren't just overkill, they're essential for running exotic machines. Government connections now. Here's where it gets even more intense. The US government, through DARPA, has poured millions into quantum research. They don't fund science for curiosity's sake. They fund projects that can shift the balance of power. Imagine being the first company, or government, to hold an unbreakable lock while everyone else's secrets lie exposed. It's not just about building better computers. It's about shaping the future of finance, national defense, even democracy itself. Microsoft goes silent after 2021, then suddenly returns with a major breakthrough. Is it possible that the public labs we know about are just for show, while the real breakthroughs happen in secret, behind closed doors? Quantum computers could rewrite the rules of all of it. And if Microsoft, or anyone else, gets there first, they'll decide how those rules are applied. Will quantum technology create a safer, more secure digital world? Or will it concentrate power in the hands of a few companies and governments? Final thoughts: Microsoft may never admit what's really happening in those hidden labs. But the patents, the facilities, the sudden breakthroughs, they all point to something bigger than we've been told. Quantum computing isn't just about speed. It's about power. And in this new race, the winner takes more than just a prize. They take the future. So what do you think? Is Microsoft hiding secret quantum breakthroughs? Or are we just seeing shadows of something not yet real? Drop your theories in the comments, because this story is far from over. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my channel.